There's a coastal kāinga associated with Pariaka for growing kumara, also for fishing. My uncle, he just said to me one day, "You're the kaitiaki here, boy," and that's always stuck with me. It's just a sense of responsibility to my old people and to the environment. I don't know the last time I actually caught a tuna to eat here in this rohe, because really we don't know the status of the stock. Instead of being called streams, they've become drains. For too long we've let Western science push us and our mātauranga to the side. The disease of piping and drainage needs to be stopped. Really, it's just about bringing the humanity back into the conversation. There it is, it speaks for itself. That's how well we're doing.